Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Hero Spotlight. This week, a new hero, Terizla. The Executioner will join us in the Land of Dawn. Terizla is armed with a very heavy and slow speed weapon, but one that deals extreme damage. He also possesses a guillotine that locks on the enemies with deadly effect. First skill, Revenge Strike. Terizla smashes the ground with his hammer, causing a fissure with cracks that spreads out and deals physical damage to enemies in contact with it. The first enemy in contact with the fissure will suffer a loss in movement speed, while Terizla gains an increase in movement speed. The affected enemy will then suffer an explosion with physical damage equal to 10% of the enemy's lost HP. This is a poke skill, as Terizla's movement speed increases while the enemy's movement speed decreases, enabling Terizla to easily escape or chase the enemy. Second skill, Execution Strike. Terizla swings the hammer in a fan-shaped manner for area damage, which could be dealt 3 times for physical damage. The first 2 times will deal physical damage to enemies, while the third time will deal increased physical damage with a movement speed slowing effect. This movement speed slowing effect could be stacked. Execution Strike is Terizla's main offensive skill, as it deals tremendous damage to enemies. This skill can be manually controlled to better afflict damage, which could be enhanced when combined with Revenge Strike or Sprint. Ultimate, Penalty Zone. Terizla leaps into a designated area, causing physical damage and slowing the movement speed of enemies caught in the blast. Then, he summons the guillotine several times to pull enemies in while causing physical damage. This skill could be useful in team fights or in solo combat. However, the timing must be carefully measured, as it comes with a long cast time. As this skill has a strong control effect, it could be combined with Execution Strike to deal extreme damage. Passive, Body of Smith. Terizla's lost HP will be converted to a limited amount of damage reduction. His attack speed cannot be increased. Every 1% increase in attack speed will be converted to physical attack. The lower the HP of Terizla, the more damage resistant he becomes. This could enable him to draw fire more effectively in team offensives. Terizla and Tigreal lay in ambush, waiting for the enemies to approach. Terizla casts his Penalty Zone ultimate skill on the 5 unfortunate enemies, followed by Tigreal, who controls them. Just in time for Terizla to use his Execution Strike to finish them off. Wiped out. And that's our new hero, Terizla. Pick him up for 599 diamonds or 32,000 battle points, with a 30% diamond discount during his launch week. Want to know more strategies for Terizla? Stay tuned for the Terizla Hero Guide and Road to Mythic for Terizla strategies upon his release. Until next time, we'll be seeing you in the Land of Dawn.
Download for free Mobile Legends Bang Bang.